This week you will be using a PAVE map to learn your new vocabulary words. PAVE, P-A-V-E, stands for prediction, association, verification, and evaluation. Those are the 4 things you're going to be doing with your vocabulary words to help you learn the meanings. Word 1. The first thing you're going to see is a sentence using that word. Lawrence had to be content to learn art at a class after school. The target word is content. You see it underlined there in the sentence. I'm going to write a predicted definition of what I think content means. Let's see here. Lawrence had to be smart to learn art at a class after school. Let's try that. Maybe content means smart, because you would have to be smart to learn art and stay after school. Let's try that. Now I'm going to write a sentence using the meaning of the predicted definition. So I'm going to use a sentence with the word content that means smart. The content student knew all of the answers to the math test. And I'm going to change it to green just so you can see my answers. You don't have to change yours a different color, but you certainly can. Okay, so now my sentence says the content student knew all of the answers to the math test. Now I don't know if that's really what it means, but I think that could be. So far I've predicted that the word means smart. I've made an association by writing another sentence with that word. Now I'm going to verify the dictionary definition. That's the verification step. Now, if you see the word dictionary, it's purple because it's a hyperlink. You can click Control or hold Control and click the word dictionary, and dictionary.com will appear. I'm going to type in the word and I'm going to search for it. Now let me listen and see if this is the right word.
Content.
No, content isn't the right word. So let me scroll down and try another one. How about this one?
Content.
No, that's the same thing.
Content.
Content. There we go. Now, the first definition says satisfied with what one is or has, not wanting more or anything else. Oh, so it doesn't mean smart. Now, I'm going to highlight this and I'm going to copy that definition. And I'm going to come over here and I'm going to paste it into my document. I'm going to turn that green. So it really means satisfied with what you are or what you have. So now I need to write another sentence. Let's see. The student was content with getting a B on his science test. Now I use the word content here to mean satisfied. The student was satisfied with getting a B on his science test, or the student was content with getting a B on his science test. So that's what the word really means. The last thing you're going to do is find a representational image. Now, you're not going to find a picture of a content because a content is not a thing, but you can go to Insert, Clip Art, and search for a picture that makes you think of the word content. Whatever you'd like. And insert that into the document. Once you're done with that section, you can scroll down and look at word 2. And you're going to continue until you finish all 4 words on your PAVE map.